Hello friends and my dear students, as we are studying this design of machine element 2 of third year mechanical engineering 6th semester curriculum of Rajasthan Technical University. Okay, so in this we have discussed about the belt drive basics, how you can calculate the length of the belt of open belt drive, cross belt drive, as well as analysis of tensions and what is the condition for maximum power. This is about we have discussed before in the previous videos. So today we are going to discuss about selection of flat belt from manufacturer's catalog. Whatever the tables you are seeing here, that will be there in your design data book. If any numerical comes on the topic of this, you can ask such data from your invigilator. He will provide you. Okay, so before going in detail of this, let us just complete one simple numerical of design of flat belt. Let's go through it. Like the layout of the leather belt drive for the transmission of 15 kilowatt power is given. Center distance is the twice of the diameter of bigger pulley. The belt should operate at a velocity 20 meter per second approximately, and stresses should not beyond the 2.25 Newton per mm. Density of the leather means density of the material is given. Coefficient of friction is 0.35. Thickness of the belt is given. You have to calculate the diameter. As from the diagram it has been seen that it is a flat open belt drive. Okay, and this center distance is given as 2d, and it is rotating with this particular rpm. Power is given, so you can calculate the torque. Okay, and now we have to calculate the diameter of pulleys first. V is equals to pi dn. You can calculate the diameter as velocity is given, so diameter is small d is calculated like this. Capital D can also be calculated by keeping the change the rpm. As for this rpm is this, and for this rpm is this. By changing the rpm value in this particular v is equal to pi dn formula, you can calculate the diameter of different kinds of pulley, which is the first question of this particular part of this particular question. Okay, and keep this thing in mind by dividing 60 and 1000 whenever you are taking the unit in rpm. Then you have to, because in this particular formula you have to keep the value of n or revolution per second, because velocity is in meter per second. So that's why you have to divide it by 60. If you're taking the diameter in mm, that's why mm, then you have to divide it by 1000. Okay, so keep these two values in consideration properly. Now calculate the belt length by this formula, as L is equals to 2c plus pi d plus d divided by 2 plus d minus d whole square divided by 4c. This is for open belt drive. For the cross belt drive, here instead of d minus d, it is d plus d. It is simple. You can calculate the value by keeping the value of belt length, belt values d and d, capital D and small d, and by keeping the value of center distance c, which is 2d, you can calculate the value of length. Now the belt width and tensions you can calculate with the help of calculating alpha as with this formula, and volume by length, width and thickness you can calculate. Mass you can calculate by keeping this value volume. Okay, and mv square you can calculate your centrifugal force, and by keeping this value in this equation, p1 minus mv square divided by p2 minus mv square is equal to e to the power f alpha. F is friction coefficient and alpha is angle of wrap. You can calculate this value, and by keeping this value you are having this particular equation. Okay, first by solving this equation and keeping the value of p1 is equals to sigma a. Sigma is your permissible value which is given in the numerical data, and you can calculate the value of p1 minus p2 with the help of power divided by velocity. So in this way, with the equation second and third, you can calculate the width, okay, and the p value of p1 and p2. So these are the questions asked: belt tensions and length and width. In this way you can solve this such kind of numericals in your exam. Now let's see how you can select the flat belt drive from the manufacturer's catalog. So for the selection of any belt drive, these are the information which is required, like power transmitted, input and output shaft, center distance depending on the availability of space, and type of load. These are the four values which should be known to you for the selection of any flat belt drive. Now let's see what is the procedure of this. So first is you have to calculate the optimum belt velocity of any kind of belt by calculating v is equals to pi dn. Okay, linear velocity is equals to pi dn. Then you can calculate the diameter and the ratio of these diameter, bigger pulley and smaller pulley, Then determine the load correction factor, which is FD, with the help of table 13.1, which is already given over here. You can see this table 13.1. This is load correction factor according to the type of load. You can say if it is normal load, then load correction factor is FA, which will be 1. Then just a minute. In the third step, calculate the angle of wrap by the formula which is well known whenever we are just calculating the length of open belt or flat belt. So you can calculate the angle of wrap for the smaller pulley and similarly for the angle of wrap of bigger pulley. Then you have to calculate the corrected power by multiplying the correction factor in the maximum power. And after that corrected power, you can calculate the corrected power rating. So corrected power rating is equals to by this particular formula for the high speed belt, and for the fourth belt the correction power factor formula is different. After that you can calculate the product of width and number of plies with the help of this particular thing, and then you can calculate the belt width by assuming the suitable number of plies. Number of plies means layers, with the help of this particular values. And after that you can calculate the belt length by using this particular formula. And this is all about the procedure, and the same thing you can see in the numerical. It is required to select a flat belt open type for this particular power ratings, and RPM is given. Space available for the center distance is 3 meter. So in this way you can calculate and adopt the same steps which I have already enumerated here. So same steps if you will adopt, then you can calculate these values. I am just giving you the answers or solution of this particular numerical. You can go through it. Step 3, step 4, corrected power, then corrected power rating, then selection of the flat belt. If it is 4 ply, then width will be this much. If it is 5 ply, then belt will be this much. And for the high speed, you have suggested this 5 plies of particular width. You can also calculate the length of our particular belt. Because it is open belt, then you have selected the formula which is having the minus sign here. If it is cross belt, then you can select the positive, means T plus D. Okay, remaining all values will be same. So in this way you can solve and select the belt as I have already discussed. Okay, so this is all about the selection of flat belt, and this table data you can see from your design data book whenever such numerical has been asked. Okay, thank you so much. If any B belt drive questions are there in your university exam, you can also prepare in upcoming pages of this book. You will go through it for the selection of B belt. We will cover in upcoming sessions as well. So meanwhile, just cover all the university exams, numericals or theoretical parts of belt and pulley drives of Unit 4 in Design of Machine Element 2 of 6th semester, 3rd year BTech Mechanical Engineering RTU curriculum or syllabus. And thank you so much for your patience hearing. Stay tuned with our Engineering College Banswara YouTube channel for more such updates about different branches of engineering like mechanical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering and computer science engineering. Thank you so much, and stay tuned with our Engineering College Banswara YouTube channel and subscribe this channel as well. Thank you so much.
कहानी दे